Living in Great Falls is an escape, simpler times. A time when everything you needed was in reach. A time when nature was part of everyday life. And a time where home was an extension of your heart. Today on Greater Reston Living, here's your chance to escape to Great Falls. This home is open and massive. There is so much space to gather and entertain. And it all centers around this huge kitchen. There's a deep connection to nature. And with the natural flow, this entire property feels like an oasis. This is the backyard for those special occasions. You're surrounded by nature. And 5 acres for you to explore. And check this out. The lower level walkout feels like a home unto itself. There's a brand new media room, and you get a bonus 5th bedroom and a full bath. Meet some friends at the Old Brogue. Cool down with some ice cream. Splurge for date night with some French cuisine. Or create your own adventure along the Potomac River. So come to Great Falls. Escape to simpler times. Escape to your new home.